Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to reset your Garmin Instinct Solar back to factory default. We actually have a couple of different options we can do here. I'm going to show you resetting it back to factory default, deleting everything as if you just bought it from the store and it's brand new. The reason I said you have two options is you also have another option which will just basically reset the default settings back to default, but it'll save all of your user information, your saved locations, all of that kind of stuff. The other option is going to delete everything. That's what we're going to be doing. Maybe it's time you're selling it, you're upgrading to a different watch. This would be what you'd want to do before you give it to somebody else. We're going to press and hold the menu button. It's the middle button on the left-hand side. We're going to press the up or down button. It makes the most sense to press the up button because we need to get to settings. I'm going to press the GPS button for settings. Once we're under settings, we're going to again use the up or down button. We're going to go to system. It's the second from the bottom of the list. We're going to press GPS under system. And then again, we're going to use the up or down button. I'm going to press the up button because again, second to the bottom of the list is going to be reset. We're going to press the GPS button. Now we have two different options in here and it's pretty self-explanatory. Reset default settings, delete data, and reset settings. So if you want to keep your information on there, you just want to reset all of the default values, you would choose this option. If you're getting rid of the watch or you just want to start over completely clean with no information on the watch at all, just like it was from Garmin, you're going to do delete data and reset settings. I'm going to press the GPS button to choose that. It's going to give you this warning message to say, listen, this is going to reset everything. You press the down button, it's going to take you in. It's going to say, are you sure you really want to delete all of your data? Again, so there's really no way you can mess this up. You have several different confirmations you have to go through. When we choose yes here, it's going to do it. I'll let you watch it. It's going to take a few seconds. The more information you have on your watch could take a little bit longer. But when this process gets done, we should be back at the original default screen from when you get your Garmin Instinct from Garmin. No data on the watch, no saved activities, nothing. You're ready to start over with a brand new watch. All right, so we can see took a few minutes. Depending on, again, how much you have on it, this can take a couple of seconds. This can take up to 5 to 10 minutes. So you just have to kind of be patient, wait for you to get back to this screen. When you get back to this screen, you have deleted and reset all of your information back to the default values from Garmin. As always, if the video helped, thumbs up are appreciated. That's how you delete your data, reset it back to factory default. Thanks for watching.